Hi, welcome to yet another series on how to build a blockchain app to computer manufacturers' defective components in the Microsoft Azure Blockchain Workbench. My name remains Ayuba Ojonugbomo-Azu, and I'm a software developer from Nigeria in Africa. And if you've been following my tutorials on the education ecosystem, you will see that I've created a whole lot of tutorials regarding the blockchain technology and ASP.NET and C#. So I've created tutorials on Ethereum, creating the apps using the Ethereum network, also using the Neo network. We've created tutorials there, but in this series that I'm creating now, I'm focusing on the Azure blockchain. I'm focusing on the Azure Blockchain Workbench rather. And then we are going to see how we can use the blockchain workbench, the Azure Blockchain Workbench, to ease our process of creating blockchain dApps. So you're going to see, we're going to look at the overview of the Azure Blockchain Workbench, and we're going to see the capabilities of the Azure Blockchain Workbench and what we can do with it. So in these tutorials here of how to computer manufacturers' defective components, we're going to look at a special way of writing codes that has to do with arrays and counter. So at the end of the day, we are using the sample of a manufacturer defective components to explain that. And then of course you're going to see how this will ease your development process if you're creating a dApp and you're choosing the Azure Blockchain Workbench. So just stay tight with me in this video tutorial, and then I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.